Would Bill Strachan please come forward? Yes, sir. State your name, please. You're next.
Hi, me?
Yes.
Okay. My name is Jose Aguilar. I'm a contributor with The Voice. And I'm kind of somewhat dismayed that the whole issue of the ICE deportations of sex offenders were not addressed. We did an article concerning the sex offenders and sex offenders in El Sereno. Last June, there was a 7-year-old boy that was raped in broad daylight by a Latino, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that he was Latino. What does matter is that the corrections department is doing shuffling of the sex offenders. There was David Goldstein did this story on AB 113, and that was a violation of AB 113, and it still continues to this very moment. There was also a violation of Megan's Law in El Sereno. There was also a violation of Jessica's Law in El Sereno. They had a huge clustering of sex offenders, upwards of 50 in the Mariana projects. And this is something that's very unacceptable to my community. And what I want this board to understand is this. If there is, I want all the legal status, immigration status of all sex offenders reviewed. And even if he is a resident alien, if he's a resident alien convicted of a sex crime, I would like for this board to pursue deportation measures to get him out of the country. This is very important because nobody addressed this issue today. And I know the gang issue is horrific, you know, but you know what? Sex offenders are a lot less organized. They're more predatory. They go out there, they're like lone wolves, and they go out there and pursue young children. So I have the expose here. We name names, okay, department heads. Everything's been named in these articles. Also, the publisher of The Voice, which is Carlos Morales, who wrote these articles, received a death threat from the corrections department, and there's a police report on file. So, you know, it's on file. You know, something happens to him, we'll know. And I'm asking this board to take it serious. To number one, there is no political support for AB Special Order 40 for sex offenders. I would love to see the politician that would support a sex offender under Special Order number 40. I would love to see the day that happens. So I'm asking for all sex offenders who are either resident aliens or illegal aliens to basically be deported upon their sentence. And I'm going to submit these articles to the record because my community, Mr. Morales, you know, he took this issue very much to heart, and he took a major risk exposing this. So I hope you pay attention to the sex offender issue. Thanks.
All right.